Salutations to beekeepers and learners who want to harvest clean, natural honey without using complicated machines or heat. Let's walk through the steps together. We begin with collecting the honeycombs from the beehive. This should be done carefully and with the right protective clothing to avoid bee stings. Make sure the honeycombs are mature and filled with capped honey. Once collected, take them to a clean, sheltered working area. Next, we break or crush the honeycombs. This helps to release the honey trapped inside the wax. You can use clean hands, a spoon, or any hygienic tool to gently mash the honeycombs. Be careful not to spill or waste the honey during this step. Now, prepare a clean strainer or a piece of muslin cloth. Place it securely over a clean, dry container. This setup will help you separate the pure honey from the wax and other particles. Pour the crushed honeycomb mixture slowly into the strainer. As you pour, you'll see the honey begin to drip through the cloth or sieve and collect in the container below. This is a natural process that takes time. Be patient and allow the honey to drain completely. Depending on the amount, this may take a few hours. Do not squeeze or rush the straining, as this can push unwanted wax or debris into the honey. Once all the honey has drained, it's time to bottle it. Use clean, dry glass or plastic containers with tight-fitting lids. Carefully pour the strained honey into the bottles, avoiding any backflow or contamination. Finally, store your bottled honey in a cool, dry place away from sunlight. This helps to maintain its natural quality, flavor, and long shelf life. The straining method is a simple, affordable, and effective way to process honey, especially for beginners. It helps preserve the natural enzymes and nutrients found in raw honey, making it perfect for home use or small-scale sale. Thank you for joining me in this honey processing tutorial. I hope you've learned something useful today. Now go ahead and try it for yourself and enjoy your sweet, natural reward.